Floyd Mayweather has came out and responded to Gervonta Davis and his critics on why he's training Devin Haney. And I truly believe, fam, this has a lot to do with Gervonta taking Floyd's girl. See, God forgives, but Floyd don't. Floyd, if you know Floyd like I know him, Floyd is vindictive. Floyd is petty. And if he saw any opportunity to get back at Tank Davis, he was going, you better believe he was going to take that opportunity. Gervonta was visibly upset to the point that he wanted to put hands. He said he wanted to put hands on Floyd Mayweather. And you know how upset you got to be, fam, to want to put hands on your boss. So yeah, Gervonta is hurt, man. He's hurt by this. Floyd released a statement saying, "The thing I like about Devin Haney is he's willing to do whatever it takes to be great." That's a shot at Tank. That's a shot at Tank. We all know Tank has been a little bit undisciplined. He's missed weight quite a few times, and he refused to offer to come out to Vegas to train with Floyd. He wanted to stay home in Baltimore with the fam, which is understandable. But yeah, that's a shot at Floyd, saying that Devin Haney is willing to do whatever it takes to be great. And Devin Haney is a dog. Yeah, he's nonstop in the gym. He don't miss weight. He's a true professional. Whereas Tank, he's been a little bit undisciplined. We've seen Tank miss weight. But I think Tank has a point. Tank has a right to be upset with Floyd. At the end of the day, Tank is your guy. He's your fighter. He signed the Mayweather Promotions. You're supposed to be looking out for Tank's best interest, not Devin Haney. Devin Haney is a DAZN fighter. And when Tank does fight Devin Haney, Tank is going to be an immense disadvantage. It's going to almost be like he's fighting Floyd Mayweather. With all the game that Floyd Mayweather is lacing Devin Haney with, it's going to be damn near impossible. It's going to be impossible, fam, for anybody to beat Devin Haney. It's like you fighting Floyd. It's like you fighting Floyd Mayweather. So yeah, Tank is going to be at a disadvantage when he fight Devin Haney. Floyd is giving Haney too much game, lacing him up with too much game. And I think Tank, he rightfully so, has the right to be upset with Floyd. But you guys in the comments section, let me know what you think. Do you agree with Floyd training Devin Haney? Or do you agree with Tank Davis being upset? Let me know what you think in the comments section. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'm out.